Hey, it's Eman here. In this tech tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to give somebody partial access to a course. And assuming that that particular person did not actually purchase from System.io, maybe you want to give it as a bonus, maybe they paid elsewhere, maybe you're migrating a student and so on. So let me share my screen and show you how it's done. So you're going to be in your System.io account and you're going to go hover over assets and then courses. And then you're going to click on students. Now I'm already inside one of the students. You're going to search for the correct email address. And if you don't have it, you just need to add a student. Once you found it, you're going to click on grant access to a course. But before you do that, you're going to click on this drop down that will say full access, drip access, partial. You're going to click on partial access. Then you're going to choose the course. In this case, I'm going to choose this one, Affiliate Marketers Roadmap. And then you're going to be able to choose the module. Click like so. And also you can note that you can actually tick multiple of them. That way you can actually give people access to multiple modules from the same course. And you'll know by those that are ticked. Now you're going to click on add. And now what's going to happen is you will see that they've been added here, the name, the enrollments, and you're going to see the modules that they have access to as well. And you'll see it says partial access. So that's how you would do that. In case you wanted to give them access to everything, you can just click here, click on full access, and it will change that. But otherwise, that's how you would give them access manually. That's about it. Hope you get value from this training. See you in the next one.